Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can change your country or region in the Google Play Store. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, go to the top right of the Play Store and click on your profile icon. After that, click on Payments and Subscriptions. Next, you need to go and click on Payment Methods, and you'll get taken to this page. And you need to go to the bottom and go and click on More Payment Settings. Now this will open up a browser, so you may need to go and sign in, or you may not. And then what you want to do is go to the top left and go and click on the three lines, and you need to go down to Settings just here. It will take a moment to load, and then you'll go and see the option for country region. You can then go and click on this, and as you can see, it says you need to create a new payments profile when you move to a new country or region. So I'll go and click on Create New just like so, and we'll go and press Continue. And I'll go and take a moment to load, and you can then go and choose the country or region. So maybe you'd move to the United States, for example. I could then find it, for example, here, the United States, I've got it selected. I could then press Continue. You can then enter your name and your new address, and that's it. You're then going to change your country in the Google Play Store. So that's basically how you can change your country or region in the Google Play Store. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.